Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hotjar website builder and want to see how visitors actually behave, heat maps, recording, clicks, scroll depth, integrating Hotjar in 2026 is possible, but with clear platform limits you must respect. Hotjar website builder does not allow full global script injection like WordPress, but you can still integrate Hotjar correctly using the supported and realistic method. Most people fail because they try to install Hotjar the WordPress way, so we will not do that. So in this guide, I will show you how to integrate Hotjar website builder with Hotjar in 2026 the right way. What works, what doesn't, and how to get real insights anyway. So first thing, create a Hotjar site. So it's required, okay? So go to Hotjar, create or log into your account, add a new site, enter your website URL, and choose your plan. Hotjar will give you a tracking code, okay? So you need the full scripts, not just the ID, okay? So add Hotjar via costume HTML. So since Hotjar builder doesn't allow global scripts, we use costume HTML sections. So how to do it? Log into Hotjar panel, go to websites, tap edit websites, and then add a costume HTML section. Paste the entire Hotjar tracking script, place it on the home page or manually on key pages, and then save and publish. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.